How to fix WhatsApp date and time. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuard. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix the date and time on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the issue over here seems to be that if I go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and it could say anything such as incorrect date and time, and your date is inaccurate, or if it's inaccurate it could say update WhatsApp because it is not being able to connect it. And even if you tap on update or download, you'll see it says no internet connection even though I'm connected to the internet. And the only reason is this happens is because that you're actually lacking behind or you're too forward on date and time. So if you want to change the date and time for WhatsApp itself do not have that option. You have to change the date and time for your own phone and settings. So open up settings on your phone. And once you open up settings, what you just want to do is you want to go ahead and then tap on general. Go to general management and then go to date and time on your phone. Now over here, you want to make sure to actually set an accurate date, say, because you can see I'm actually on 2022 but it's set to 2023, and you want to simply go ahead and then set it to any of the dates right over here. But if this is not working for you, I would recommend you to simply select automatic date and time. So go ahead and then select automatic date and time in this case. Now you could basically go ahead and then see if your date is actually correct, which is the today's date. And after that, I will come back to WhatsApp and I will simply refresh the app right over here. So I'll go ahead and open WhatsApp. Now you can see the WhatsApp app is working just fine. So the problem wasn't with our internet connection, but with the date and time on WhatsApp as well. And you have to change the WhatsApp date and time from your settings, so go ahead and do that. This was the way on how you can fix date and time on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.